Hi, this is IONKINI. This is unboxing video of IONKINI hot-selling Wearable air purifier. Do you want to know more? Keep watching. The Wearable air purifier is packed with gift box package. It's suitable for gifts. There is a color label on the package and some features and specification marked on the package. Nice. Let's open it. A Wearable air purifier fits on the sponge, you see, and some accessories will pack inside. One USB power cable, a lanyard, and a user guide. Wow, that is a simple package. So good. I like it. Let me show the details of the device. It is so small and exquisite, looks high-end, and it is so light, just like a feather, easy and comfortable. Now I just press the button, the product is working. You could see the indication light is flashing. It could release high-density negative ions. Wow, great. Okay, see on the back of the device, this is a USB charge port. It's a Type-C USB charge port. You can see the charge port with the dust plug. It could prevent the product effectively from the dust. Here is the outlet. The negative ions comes from here. Whoa, the lanyard is so thin, not thick, and so solid. Okay, let me connect the device. You see, this product has two metal buckles on both sides. So, before using it, we have to connect the buckle. Let me hang it around on my neck. Looks great. It is a fashionable accessory. I like it so much. It could clean air I breathe when I go everywhere. Nice. Thanks for watching this video. Highly recommend this Wearable air purifier for you. IONKINI, a 16 years manufacturer. You deserve it.